Hi, my name is Jutta Eckstein, and I am super happy to present a half-day workshop at this year's ALE conference in Riga. In the workshop, we will explore what company-wide agility really means. And I want to give you a sneak preview into that. First of all, it means to think beyond Agile. So in order to become Agile, you need to think beyond. That's an interesting thing. And I want to explore that with you by looking at the synthesis that we created that's called Bossa Nova. And Bossa Nova reaches to different streams, like on the one hand, beyond budgeting, then open space and so secrecy and agility. With beyond budgeting, what we look into is how can we be more agile in terms of budgets? Because if we fix the budget a year in advance, how agile can you really be? With open space, we are more looking into people and their passion. How can we ensure that people can follow their passion in order to create the products they really want and care for? And then if we look into sociocracy, we think about how does the hierarchy and the power structure and the way we make decisions help or hinder agility. And then, of course, there's Agile, where in Agile we look at how we continuously learn. Now, all these different streams that we synthesize in this Bossa Nova concept is just the one thing. The other thing that we want to explore there is how can you get there? And the main way how you get there is by probing, by conducting safe to fail experiments based on a hypothesis you are coming up to. And this hypothesis in terms is based on the background situation, the problem, the context you are facing, and all of that in a really safe environment, making small steps one at a time in order to become agile throughout. So in order to implement company-wide agility. So I'm looking forward to see you all in my workshop on company-wide agility and exploring Bossa Nova with me. See you there.